Horses out, Rafa gets away immediately. And in second, Hold Me Tight Baby. Excessive Smash, Zalawikain. Alongside moving up on the outside now is Buko Juice, Premier Affair, Kinagigiliwan, Batong Silyar. And Fiorelli is the early trailer. And it's still Rafa by about 3 lengths. Hold Me Tight Baby in second, Excessive Smash in third. Then moving up now in fourth position is Salawikain, Premier Affair, Kinagigiliwan, Batong Silyar, Buko Juice, and Fiorelli. And it's still Rafa by about 4 lengths. Premier Affair on the outside, Salawikain, Kinagigiliwan, Hold Me Tight Baby. Rafa still the leader. Moving up now on the outside is Kinagigiliwan, Hold Me Tight Baby, together with Salawikain, Buko Juice. Rafa still the leader by Olenga. Kinagigiliwan now on the outside. Rafa, Kinagigiliwan, Hold Me Tight Baby is running by Trela. Kinagigiliwan, Rafa, Hold Me Tight Baby, Buko Juice is on the outside. Balestel, Kinagigiliwan, entering the finish line. It's Kinagigiliwan. Second, Buko Juice, Rafa, Hold Me Tight Baby, Excessive Smash, Batong Silyar, Premier Affair, Salawikain, and Fiorelli comes in last.